You guys don't know, that's how I heat my house. That's if you were concerned about carbon monoxide, I'm kind of an expert on it because I have a coal stove. So, but that's not the subject of today. It's just to let you guys know. I need this thing here so I can show you exactly what I mean and why I made my decision about it. It is what it is. Let's get done. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. We are almost at 4,000 subscribers. That would be so cool to get at 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So we have 2 weeks to get more than 200 subscribers. I think we can do, right? Smash that button. It's here somewhere. So make sure to subscribe. So, man, that would be so cool if we end 2019 with 4,000 subscribers. So we didn't have video yesterday, and after 13 days, we did 13 days straight, I decided to take a break to spend time with my family. We spent the entire day yesterday together, and that's good. We gotta have a break. Even that stretch until Christmas, we gotta have a break. And I was watching some football with my family. Go Hawks! We are making to the playoffs. Yes. So if you are not a Seahawks fan, sorry. But anyway, let's talk about cars. I'm gonna pick it up from the last video. If you didn't watch the last video, make sure to watch. We wrapped the roof of the Corvette in carbon fiber, and after it's hard to say, but after doing that, and that was my bad, because for some reason I thought the gloss carbon fiber would look better, but you know, when I was done and I thought about it, and it's not what I want. I want something different, and different I mean, I really like the carbon fiber here. That was perfect. If you guys look at this one, it's kind of pristine. I like the color, the vinyl. I like the, you know, you can see like the real carbon. That one, in specific, that one, what happened is you can barely tell, and some people like it, but I'm going for something different. I wanted something darker. I know a lot of you guys said about the halo, it's really bad shape, but that's one reason why I'm wrapping, right? I'm wrapping because I want to make it better. I mean, that goes down to taste, to be honest, next to each other, right? See the difference? And again, there's no right and wrong here. It just goes down to taste. And I prefer this one. That's me. I prefer this one. I don't like the gloss, to be honest. I don't know if the camera will do it justice, showing exactly what I'm seeing here in person. I just don't like it. So that's how it's gonna look like when it's gonna be like this color here. You know what I'm saying? I just want something darker. I think goes well with the entire car. That's why I'm removing. There's nothing wrong with my job. Well, actually, it was pretty good for the first time. Other thing is I need more vinyl, because if I want to keep the pattern going, I gotta do everything in one piece. And that's the challenge when you're doing like a hood and a roof. So you guys got the point. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy more vinyl. This vinyl is specific, which is the same, but it's just like a different finish. I saw a couple pictures online, and again, there's nothing wrong. It's just taste. It goes down to taste. If you like it, if you don't like, I don't like it. I mean, you can see here how it is. I don't like it. I don't want anything super gloss. I want something like this. And that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna remove the roof, and there's one piece I will try to wrap if I have time to it. So let's get into it and have some fun. I hope removing is not gonna be as hard as putting, because that took me probably a good, I'd say a good 2 hours to do. Again, it was my first time, I was taking my time, but let's see how long it takes to remove it. Let's do it. It comes out really easy. Really easy to remove it. Show you guys this in the other video. We're gonna fix this. It's gonna look brand new. I have another idea though that might work because I have a small piece of vinyl there. When you look inside, you guys know that I wrapped the most part of it. Those stuff to remove it, but what do you guys think if we wrap those? I think we can do. One thing I need to do before we go any further is unplug the battery just to be safe. I don't want to have any risks here, so I'll unplug the battery. Oops, I didn't notice the camera wasn't where it's supposed to be, but anyway. So yeah, it just like there's a hole here on the side, see? And then you just pull that clip there. See, that moves. So, and then that pops out, and that's it. I'm gonna wrap those two parts and it should be nice. You guys know the drill. You're gonna just watch a time lapse. I'm sorry, but it's easier. Just so you guys can see both. Well, it's a huge improvement, right? The only thing I would say it's the corners though. The corners, like just put a lot of heat on the corners and it should be good to go. Look, beautiful. This is not vinyl, just so you guys know, it's not vinyl. So I'll do the other one and we're gonna put it back on. 12 seconds later. My camera is horrible to focus though. There we go. I think we're done, so let's put it back. I like it though. It's simple. I'll try to not drop you guys again. I'll try, right? I'm not promising. Well, this one goes there. Something has to go wrong. Every time I do something, it has to go wrong. Now let's pop this bad boy back on. Dude, that so far is one of the best wraps I made it. Well, ties with that one and this one. So what do you guys think? Of course, I'm gonna get a new steering wheel soon. And soon, I mean, when the company that I'm working with is down for the deal. Yeah, I'm working with some companies. I want to do a carbon fiber steering wheel. So this one was just like for now. So now everything here inside is it's pretty much the same. It's black and carbon fiber. So I don't believe I have anything else to beside this. But I'm gonna change. As you guys know, my thing is all beat up. I'm gonna change this and put the new one e-brake boot and shifty boot new as well. So that might change soon. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But what do you think about this steering wheel? That looks so freaking good. This carbon fiber vinyl, it's the best one. I'm serious. I like the look. I like how that feels. That glossy one, I don't know, it's just me, Well boys, one more for the books. I just want to put the battery back on and we should be good to go. I want to make sure everything is fine. I'm gonna plug the battery tender back on because I don't know when I'm gonna drive this thing. Battery tender is on and working. Yeah, it's working. What do you guys think? That's the inside so you guys can see it. Everything is pretty much like black and carbon now. Dude, I love it. Why I didn't do this before? Look at this, how good it is. So nice, dude. It's such a small touch that make all the difference. Same here, and my friend Justin, he just sent something that I can do to get rid of all this beat up part. So that's coming to a vlog near you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's. I know if you're frustrated about the roof, me too. But again, you know, you gotta do what you like it. You gotta try and you gotta try it again. And if you don't like it, try it again. I did my research. I thought it would be good, but hey, it didn't work when when it's in person. It's like when we are vlogging. You guys probably have a totally different idea how this car is when you see in person. You know what I'm saying? Like when I watch other YouTubers and I see their cars in person, I was like, it's completely different. And if you're wondering about the truck is not here today. My wife took my truck. Yeah, she did. She does that sometimes. The rock lights, we are waiting for the rock lights. It's gonna be a really challenge to install the rock lights outside during the winter, but I want to get done so bad and soon as possible. So I'm waiting yesterday, so it should be here probably in 2 or 3 days. That's coming from Canada, so my Canadian friends, the truck content, it's in your hands. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button though. I'm trying to get at 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So we have 2 weeks to get more than 200 subscribers. Do you think we can do? I don't know, that would be so cool, but I hope to see you guys tomorrow. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.